So in this video, I'm going to be talking about top 5 countries which are open for Indians, and right now is the best time to plan a trip there. But these countries are not just cheap, they also have a lot of things to do and offer. So if you're planning an international trip anytime soon, then do watch this video till the end, because by the end of it, you will know where you should be traveling to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I show people how to save money and still travel the world. And today we're going to talk about cheapest countries to travel from India. Let's begin with number 5. So number 5 in this list is Thailand. Now Thailand is very close to India, and that's why a lot of Indians travel to Thailand. They have a lot of connecting flights from India to Thailand, and the flight prices are pretty low. The moment you search for flights from India to Thailand, you get a lot of options by almost all the airlines. This keeps the prices low, and I've seen prices starting at just 12,000 rupees for a round-trip ticket. Currently, there is no requirement for visa for Indians and only need to fill in the online TDAC form. The good thing is that both these visas are valid for 6 months. That means you can stay in Thailand for 6 months. Even if you don't want to stay for 6 months, you can always extend your visa when you reach Thailand. The best part about Thailand is that even though it is very cheap, it offers a lot of activities and experiences. When you go to Thailand, you can go island hopping. You can explore beautiful beaches there, try water sports, visit floating markets, explore temples, do shopping. There are also elephant sanctuaries, zoos, national parks, night markets, nightlife. You can do so many things in Thailand. The average cost of food in Thailand is 350 baht per day. And for Indians, that is approximately 800 rupees. So this was a list of things to do in Thailand. And now let's talk about Nepal, which is at number 4. So Nepal is also very close to India, and that's why a lot of Indians visit Nepal. It's a great place for adventure activities. If you like trekking and mountaineering, then you can visit Nepal. There are a lot of mountains and peaks to climb there. The highest peak, Mount Everest, is also located in Nepal. So if you want to climb Mount Everest, then you can go to Nepal. Apart from mountaineering, you can go hiking, camping, whitewater rafting, paragliding, bungee jumping, ziplining, mountain biking, etc. When it comes to visa, Nepal offers a visa on arrival, which costs $30, which is around 2,200 rupees. And you can extend it whenever you want. In fact, you can get a 15 days visa for free if you're coming from India. All you need to do is you need to apply before 30 days of your travel, and you will get a visa approval letter, which you can then stamp at the airport. Now, when it comes to flight cost, it starts at just 2,700 rupees for a one-way ticket. And if you book in advance, you can get better deals. The average cost of food in Nepal is around 1,000 rupees per day. So this was it from Nepal. Let's talk about Indonesia now, which is at number 3. Now, Indonesia is a very beautiful country and houses thousands of islands. Out of these thousands of islands, Bali is the most famous one. Bali is basically called the land of gods. It has beautiful beaches, rice paddies, Hindu temples, water sports, delicious food, amazing cafes, and a lot more. If you want to relax and unwind, then you should definitely visit Bali. A lot of digital nomads also visit Bali because they have good internet connectivity, so you can work remotely from Bali. To reach Bali from India, you will first have to take a flight to Kuala Lumpur, which costs around 20,000 rupees for a round trip. From Kuala Lumpur Airport, you will have to take a connecting flight to Bali, which costs around 5,000 rupees. Now, when it comes to visa, you can get a 30 days visa on arrival for free. The only thing you need to do is you need to fill out an online form and pay $35, which is around 2,700 rupees. But you can skip paying this fee if you apply for the visa on arrival at the airport. Now, the cost of food in Bali is very less. It is around 200,000 Indonesian rupiah for 2 people, which is around 1,000 rupees. Next in this list is Malaysia. Malaysia is very similar to Thailand. In fact, I would say that Malaysia is like a little brother to Thailand. You get a lot of things in Malaysia which you get in Thailand. For example, You get street food, beautiful beaches, amazing weather, delicious desserts, etc. But one thing I like more about Malaysia is that they have a lot of gardens and parks. They have beautiful mosques, colonial architecture, a lot of shopping malls, and of course theme parks. There are a lot of theme parks in Malaysia like the Lost World of Tambun, Sunway Lagoon, etc. One thing that I really like about Malaysia is their transportation system. I mean, their buses and trains are very cheap and comfortable, plus it's also very convenient. The MRT in Kuala Lumpur goes up to 1 a.m., which is very convenient. The KTM commuter train also goes up to 1 a.m. So if you want to go clubbing, you can easily take the train. Talking about flight prices, they start at just 9,000 rupees for a round-trip ticket. Also, visa is free for Indians. Yes, you heard me right. You can enter Malaysia without a visa for 90 days. But please note that you need to apply for the visa exemption letter online. You cannot just go to the airport and get a visa exemption. In terms of food, you can get a lot of local food starting at just 5 ringgit, which is around 100 rupees. But if you're eating at restaurants, then you can expect to spend around 30 ringgit, which is around 600 rupees per day. Before we move to the last country, if you're finding this video helpful, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And now, let's talk about Georgia, which is at number 1. Georgia is the cheapest country to travel from India, and you will be surprised to hear that you can get everything in Georgia for half the price. Everything is very cheap in Georgia, whether it is food, transportation, accommodation, experiences, etc. Now, when it comes to flight prices, you can get them starting at just 15,000 rupees for a round-trip ticket. Although there are no direct flights from India to Georgia, but since a lot of people are now visiting Georgia, there are a lot of connecting flights. You can first fly from India to Dubai, and from Dubai you can get connecting flights to Georgia. The capital city of Georgia is Tbilisi, and it's a beautiful city. When you visit Tbilisi, you can explore churches, walk on the old town, visit sulfur baths, do shopping, go to cafes, try traditional Georgian food, go wine tasting, etc. You can also go to Kazbegi, which is a small town in Georgia, and it's perfect for trekking and hiking. The average cost of food in Georgia is around 10,000 lari, which is around 200 rupees. Now, 200 rupees might sound a bit high, but trust me, you can get amazing food starting at just 200. And if you're eating at local places, then you can get food starting at just 50 rupees. These were the 5 countries which you can visit right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.